Okay, well, you should stop wasting food and stop throwing away stuff that, that you don't eat. Stop buying stuff that you're not going to eat either. That's just a huge waste. So either eat it or don't buy it.
Or die.
We can recycle and have recycling bins in the hallways and like next to the trash bins, and they can put it in there.
Tell teachers to get recycling bins in their classrooms.
Recycle at home and recycle paper, plastic, and aluminum cans.
You have a puppy, right? You have a kitty? I don't know. But trash that you throw on the road, that you throw on like streams and things, that they eat those things and they choke and they die.